Hello everyone, it's Dan here from TommusRhodus Support. In this video I'm going to take you through the process of building a page with Variant Page Builder. We're very excited to release this with our stack theme for WordPress. It's a very simple page builder which basically gives you all the components you need so you can whip up pages literally in no time, as you'll see here. It's generally aimed for people who are looking for just quick and easy ways of creating pages like what you see in the demo. Obviously if you're looking for something a bit more in-depth, you can use Visual Composer as well, but this gives you everything you need to create what you've seen, and we'll go through the process of creating a new page now. So to begin with, we're just going to create a fresh page. We'll go to New and Page here in the admin menu. I'm just going to call this Demo Page and publish it. Okay, so to begin with, we've got the Launch Variant Page Builder button here you can press, or if you are browsing a page, for instance, you can hit the Launch Variant Page Builder button from the admin bar here as well. So now we're heading into the actual page builder itself. You can see we've got a nice little pop-up just giving you a guide of what to do. And yeah, here we are. Basically what we've got is the main menu on the left. This is where your components are all added. Where you can set things like the header and footer style that you wish to use on that particular page. And this is the canvas area, so everything you add to the page will appear here. Let's begin. Okay, so to start with, we're going to open up the components area. There are hundreds of components to choose from here. That isn't an exaggeration, there are loads and loads. So to make things a bit easier to go through, you can filter them all down with the box here. I'm going to start off with something quite typical. I'll go with a nice cover image. That's lovely. I really like the gradient background on this one too. I think it looks really smart. But yes, if we wanted to, for instance, start customizing the text, we simply click on the text block and pop it in. Whatever text we would like. Things like replacing the images is also easy. You just simply hover over them and click the tab that pops up. And I'm just going to replace this with a random apple. And that's pretty much how it works. You can go a bit more depth with the sections that you add to the page. You'll see this tab up here. This is where you can control the images that you use. So if we wanted to replace the background image, we can do so. That may not be a particularly good example. You can see there, that's just replaced it there. We can alter things like the heights, the gradient colours, everything we want to do is all available in the options here. So once we've added any components, you can style them up and tweak them using this panel here. So let's press on, let's add something else below this. So we'll go a bit more typical, we'll add a title, and pop that in below. And again, just like last time, we can pop in whatever text we would like. If we wanted to, we can go into the row settings that are here and select the formatting for the text, as well as apply a background style. As you can see, it's all very responsive and very quick. I'll just leave this as white for now. Below this, I'll pop in some features. And you notice I've popped in 2 rows here. That's to demonstrate a really cool feature of this. Obviously, we can go in here and start editing the text as we want. Of course, we can edit the icon that's used. That's no problem. But what if we wanted to give these 2 sections a nice background and kind of make it look like a different section of the page? Well, we can go into the options, we can select grey, and this is the really neat part. If you were to do the same for the row below, what you'll notice, they merge together beautifully for you. So rather than leaving you with an unsightly gap, you'll notice everything gets taken care of, including all of the paddings there and then. Just drop and go. Anyway, let's carry on. I'm going to pop in our team members, I think. Looks great. And then maybe finally a nice call to action area. That's really smart. If we wanted to edit the button, for instance, which is a good example, a lot of these have an internal an inline menu, so you can simply right click on the element, hit edit link, and away you go. Same for a lot of these areas here as well. You can actually expand and contract certain areas if you wish. Here, if we were to just shrink it right up, if you wanted to, you can start tweaking things as you wish. But that's generally it. As you can see, it's very quick and easy to get started. It's taken a few moments with the explanation to build a fairly good page here. We can keep going and add whatever content we wish. If you do have any problems, obviously, or any questions about how to use the builder, then do come see us over at support. Other than that, thanks for watching.